What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. Today's video, we are going to be doing a mid-winter wash, a touchless wash, on a salty 12-year-old Honda CRV that is ceramic coated. And we're going to be comparing that to a brand new 2021 Hyundai Tucson that is not ceramic coated and actually has no protection on it. And we're going to compare to see which vehicle cleans with ease and which vehicle is actually going to look a little better after the wash. All right, guys, we have reached that time here in the Midwest where it's car wash season. It's the middle of winter. We have had a lot of snow, we've had a lot of salt, and these cars are really dirty. Finally, we actually got some decent temperatures to wash these vehicles, and the car washes, they're going insane. And I think we've reached that time of the year where the sun's a little higher in the sky. Because of that, we can actually start to see a little bit more of these salty, dirty cars. And clearly, you could see how dirty the wheel wells are and how much salt is on the side. Now, guys, this brand new 2021 Hyundai Tucson, it's my neighbor's vehicle. And this is a lease vehicle. It's got about 4,000 miles on it. There is no protection on this vehicle. And when you look down the side of this Hyundai Tucson, you can see how much road salt is on this thing. When you compare that to my daily driven 12-year-old CRV that is ceramic coated, there's far less salt on the sides of the car. So it kind of showcases a little bit of the characteristic of ceramic coatings and how they benefit your vehicle from getting less dirty. Nevertheless, we still have a lot of salt and we need to remove that. So as I'm perfecting my touchless wash, we're going to see which vehicle cleans with ease and which vehicle is going to look better after the wash. All right, guys, now I actually just got done performing the wash, and I think the first thing you notice right away in the video is the water behavior on this ceramic coated vehicle. And really, I'm trying to implement this touchless washing and perfect that process here in my shop. And I think it's super cool to see this daily driver, 12-year-old CRV, have this type of water behavior, this protection. Guys, this paint has got almost 200,000 miles on it, and it really looks better than most new cars. So I'm proud of that. That's definitely maintenance going a long way. But before we move away from this one, I was very happy with the way the touchless wash worked. I did notice a little bit of film here in the corners. Camera's not going to pick that up, but I'm just going behind here with my microfiber drying towel and kind of just inspecting my work before we move on to the next vehicle. Now, guys, we've had a lot of snow and salt in the Midwest, and as you can see on this Tucson, it's just riddled with salt. And what contributes to that washing in the wintertime, I'm wearing black. Look at this. People rub up on their vehicle, and all of a sudden, you get this salt transfer. So In these hard to reach kind of low spots, I am going to do just a quick light agitation with the brush, just because the salt's pretty bad. And then I'm going to proceed with my touchless wash from there. Now guys, our work is just about done here for today. It was a perfect day to do these midwinter touchless washes. And I think it was very clear in the video to see that the water behavior on this newer 2021 Tucson was far different than the well-maintained 2010 ceramic coated CRV. If you guys are buying a new vehicle and the F&I department tries to upsell you on something, make sure you do your due diligence and make sure you really know what type of protection you're buying for your vehicle. I will be talking to the customer about purchasing some type of long-term protection package or enhancement for this vehicle. We'll see what they say. If you guys have any questions, please check out mattswax.com. You can fill out a submission request form, and there I'll be happy to answer any questions. Of course, you can always leave some comments in the section below. Remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.